How to log in into your Walmart account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Walmart account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. And after you open up a web browser, all you have to do is first search for Walmart login. So search for Walmart login and hit enter. And there you will see Walmart's sign in page. A lot of different, accounts are popping up. So there is the sign in option for savings, location search, and stuff like that. But we'll simply head over to this Walmart account login. So tap on this login button. After you do that, now you'll have to type in your email or phone number, whichever is associated to your account. So let's do that here. And after you do that, you will then need to hit enter, and after that it will take you to a page where you can simply log in by typing in your password. Now since I don't have an account, it's showing me to create an account, but all you have to do is now hit continue, and after that type in your password and then log in. And that's basically how you log in into your Walmart account. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.